Assalamu alaikum everyone, how's it going? My name is Abdullah Hamadi and you are watching Delicious Food. Before we start this video, I want to tell you that if you are new around here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn the notification icon on, because we are trying our level best to post quality and delicious content for you regularly. So as you all know, summers are here और summers में सबके घर पे आम तो आते हैं, लेकिन अगर आम आया और आम का आमरस पूरी ना बना तो आम लाया क्यों, ये बताओ बताओ. So in today's video we will be making Aamras Puri. Thank you for watching the video and I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe this channel, like this video, share it with your friends and family, and also comment down your thoughts and notification icon dabana mat bhulna. And I'll catch you guys with another delicious recipe in another video next time. Till that time, stay safe, stay tuned, take care.